Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password on your Exness Trading account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Exness Trading app on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, tap on the sign in button. You will now be asked to provide your email address and your password. From here, tap on I forgot my password underneath the sign in button. Now you will need to provide your email address in order to continue. So just type it in and click on continue. Now you will be asked to enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to your email. So just type in this 6-digit code and now you will be allowed to create a new password. Type in your desired new password and then type it in once again for confirmation. You can then click on the change password button and now your password has successfully been changed. You can now proceed towards logging into your account using the new password right away. And once you log in, you will be allowed to create a new PIN code as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Exness Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.